What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to do a quick video and show you how to connect your phone to a 2021 Ford Bronco. Like I said, we're going to be working on a 21 Bronco in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. So the first thing we want to do is take our phone, and I'm going to be doing this on an iPhone. You want to go into your phone's settings menu, go into your Bluetooth, just make sure your Bluetooth is on your phone. Then if we take a look at our radio, depending on what screen you're starting from, we want to click the phone screen down here in the bottom left. Then once we're on this screen, we want to click Add Phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Then if we take a look at our phone, we see Bronco right here. Go ahead and select that.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
And as the voice in the vehicle just said, you want to make sure that this pin number here matches here, which it does. So go ahead and click yes. We can look at our phone, click pair. And then from here, it's just going to ask if you want to give it access to your contacts and all that. And that's it.
For your safety,
Pretty simple.
please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.